welcome back. Today's video is just gonna be a whole house clean with me. There's so much to get done and I got a little bit of time to do it, so let's just jump right into it. Hey guys, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna start in the bathroom today. I never start in the bathroom, but that's where we're gonna start because I think it's the least amount of stuff that I gotta get done. So let's go. Okay, so I'm starting off over here with my sink. I'm going to be really filling up our hand soap. We got the Mrs. Meyer's and we got the honeysuckle scent. I think it smells so good. It smells like a fresh flower. My daughter actually said that it smells like stinky socks, but the rest of our family likes the smell of it. I also got a sanitize wipe out and I'm just going to wipe down everything on the sink, including our mouthwashes and the handles and everything in between. Having the toughest time trying to get these handles clean. There's a bunch of watermarks on them all and I can't get them off. Right now I am wiping off and cleaning and making sure that our hand soap is really cleaned off because that's the first thing you touch after going to the bathroom. So we're trying to make sure everything is wiped down and nice and clean. Okay guys, so when I come over to the toilet, I'm using the same sanitize wipe that I use to clean off the sink, and it has a little bit of that extra soap on it from cleaning the soap dispenser. So this toilet is going to get extra clean with all the soap and the sanitizer. So let's get into this. Alright, so when I'm cleaning off my toilet, I make sure to get all of the nooks and crannies. I'm making sure to clean all around the bottom where most people seem to not want to clean. Well, I got that cleaned, and then I'm cleaning up the top around the base of the bowl. And I'm going in now with my Lysol Country Scent Toilet Bowl Cleaner. I think this smells so good and it gives the bathroom a nice fresh scent. I just pour it into the toilet and let that sit and sanitize while I'm going to go around and clean up the rest of the bathroom. When I'm cleaning up the bathroom, when I am done cleaning up the tub, I like to close the shower curtain. I think it makes the bathroom have a complete clean feeling when you don't see all the clutter of the shower. What do you guys do? Do you guys close your shower curtain or do you just leave it open? Right here, I am just trying to get out everything from the bottom of this closet, and I'm going to be pulling out my toilet paper. So we buy this giant thing of toilet paper off of Amazon. We buy it once every 6 months and it's enough for our family of 5, or should I say 4, because my baby doesn't use toilet paper yet. But I'm just keep recycling this old Pampers box, and I just put all the toilet paper in this and stack it up and throw it back into the closet. Okay guys, now that I got the rest of the bathroom clean, I'm just coming back over and giving this toilet a good scrub, and I'm just gonna flush it away and wipe it down with some toilet paper to get whatever is left. Okay, moving on, I'm going downstairs. I have one little basket here of laundry that I wanted to get folded, so that is what I'm going to be working on right now. Do you guys try to get laundry done every day? I know I try to plan to, but sometimes it gets behind on me and I don't get it all done in one day. If you're watching right over here in the right hand corner, my little baby Christian right now just pulled off some of the laundry that I had folded. Look how sweet! He's tacking the camera now. Let's go back and get all this folded and put away and back into the basket so I could go put it away. Okay guys, here's why I did not start in the kitchen, because look at how much I have to get done. This is one whole day's worth of dishes. I just did not get to them yesterday. We were so busy, but now look what I gotta deal with. This is when I truly wish I had a dishwasher. There's so many dishes. Okay guys, let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys have a dishwasher, or do you have to hand wash all your dishes just like I do? Or what do you prefer? Do you prefer the dishwasher, or do you prefer to do them by hand? I know sometimes I know that I could get a better clean by doing the dishes by hand versus doing a dishwasher, but I know some of the really good dishwashers sanitize really, really well, and that is when I wish I really had one. The satisfaction, I get to clean the sink out after all those dishes are done. Okay, so now after I cleaned all those dishes, I had to put the pans in there and let them soak. And next, I'm going to be cleaning off my counter and my stove, but I can't clean this corner because I got dinner started. Oh my goodness, I wish I would have started cleaning this off before I started dinner, but that's okay. But look how dirty that my stove can get. And this is only just like maybe 2 or 3 days worth because I did not get to clean it before, but it accumulates so much mess. But that's okay, my handy dandy sponge is here and we're gonna get this clean. Okay guys, look how satisfying this is to look at compared to the before tape. So my dinner's still cooking and I still got the pans to get done, but this is so much better. Now Ryan's just coming in and he's gonna help me out. He's gonna be doing the Swiffer for me, so I don't have to. Thank you, husband. Okay guys, moving on to my last project of today. I really need to get this table cleaned off so that we can have dinner together. I also need to roll up this sweeper because it got left out, but that's okay. Let's get this done. guys are still here and still hanging on to this video, thank you so much for being here and watching and supporting my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here as part of my family. Up here. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button and leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time. Bye.